First of all, what is thrust? So student, a force applied on a surface in a direction perpendicular to the surface is known as thrust. In other words, we can say that those force which are act perpendicular to the surface is known as thrust. Those force which are act perpendicular to the surface is known as thrust. Student, what is SI unit of thrust force? So student, SI unit of thrust force is Newton. SI unit of thrust is Newton. Okay student, next pressure. Next pressure. What is pressure? The effect of thrust per unit area is called pressure. The effect of thrust per unit area is called pressure. What pressure is equal to thrust upon area. What is SI unit of thrust or Newton, and what is SI unit of area? Meter square. So SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square, or Newton per meter square is also called 1 Pascal. What? 1 Pascal. 1 Newton meter square is equal to 1 Pascal. Next, pressure depend on how many factors? So student, pressure depend on two factors. Pressure depend on a two factor. First, force, and second, area cross section. Pressure depend directly proportional to the force or thrust and inversely proportional to area of a cross section. So a student, if area is less, then pressure is high. If area of cross section is less, then pressure is high, and when area is more, then pressure is less. So student, a lot of example we see in our surrounding. In here, two person are standing. When a person are standing on two foot, then less pressure act on earth. When a person are standing by using 1 feet, then higher pressure is act. Why higher pressure is act? Because area of cross section is less, and we know very well area of cross section is less than for pressure will be increases. In here, two nails are put, one head and one top. When nails are applying force by a person feel penetrate on those side which side have a less area, and which side have a higher area, person feel less penetration. For example, we will take next slide. In here, two examples, yeah, two application of pressure. A is small, P is big. It means that student, when area of cross section is less and uh, pressure increase, directly say when area of cross section is less, then pressure will be increases. In the second case, when area of cross section increases, then pressure will be decreases. Here some examples are given. First, cutting tools like scissors, knife, and a hand cross. All of these have a less area of cross section. Due to the less area of cross section, they apply a less force and higher pressure. Next, have very small surface area of contact at their cutting edge. A student, when in a cutting edge have a higher area of cross section, then the cutting edge apply less pressure, and when applying less pressure, then we have need to apply more force. When a force is applied to a cut an object, the small surface area will result in a big pressure, and this will make the cutting easier. If area of cross section in a cutting place is less, then we apply less force and cut the substance very easy. Next, in a big area of cross section, student, big area of cross section is also important for us, where we want to save the equipment, we will use a higher area of cross section. Just like in here, the wooden plank placed on the soft ground increase the surface area contact between the wheelbarrow and the ground. Student, very important examples we see in a railway track. In a railway track, sleepers are wooden or concrete sleepers are applying to resist the higher pressure of a train. Higher pressure of a train. So this is also an example of a pressure. Next, in here, this is a very common example which we are seen in our home. Uh, Tip of pencil has small surface area. You take a pencil, one side on a tip and other side head. So student, when we touch tip of pencil, the area cross section of a tip of pencil is very small, and when area cross section of a is very small, then we feel very high pressure, and in other end pencil is large area, so we feel less pressure. Effect of force is more than contact area is. Effect of force is uh, effect of force is more when contact area is small. Means that when area of contact is small, then we feel a higher pressure. If area of contact is more, we feel less pressure. In everyday life, in a everyday life, we see a various examples. Suction cups remove the air and the atmosphere, hold it in a place. Suction cup, second, drinking so us to create a partial vacuum in our mouth, and atmospheric pressure pushes the fluid up with stroke. Next, pressure is lower at a higher altitude, water boils at a lower altitude. When we go in a mountain, we see that water boil below than 100 degrees Celsius. But we know boiling point of a water body is 100 degrees Celsius. But water are boiled below the 100 degrees Celsius due to the low pressure. Due to the low pressure. Okay, students, pressure is higher the deeper you go in the ocean. When we go inside the water body, we feel a higher pressure. Why we feel a higher pressure? Due to the increasing atmospheric pressure, and water body leads more nitrogen being absorbed and they wet. Next, principle of Pascal's law. What is Pascal's law? Student, pressure at a point in a fluid is equal in all direction. Pressure at a point in a fluid is equal in all direction is called Pascal law. In a Pascal law, pressure are equal in all direction at a particular point in a liquid. Pressure is equal in a fluid. Pressure is equal इन अ पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ अ फ्लूइड. यानी स्टूडेंट, फ्लूइड के किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे जो प्रेशर होता है वो हर एक डायरेक्शन में एक बराबर होता है, वो कम ज़्यादा नहीं होता. इसी लॉ को बताया था पास्कल साहब ने. तो सो दिस लॉ इज कॉल्ड पास्कल लॉ. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पास्कल लॉ. स्टूडेंट, हियर टू bottles are present, and when we take a number of hole on a bottle at a same height, then we see equal pressure act, and in other bottle we take various hole in a different height, then we see a water go outside from a different distance. So this show that pressure in a water body depend on a height from a free surface. Pressure in a water body depend on a height from a free surface. If we go deeper and deeper in comparison to free surface, then pressure will increase. Okay, student, and a common height, common altitude, pressure is equal in all directions. So I hope you understand all the point very well. Thank you very much.